morning, one and all. At the outset, my hearty greetings to all the children on the occasion of Children's Day. Children's Day is a special occasion celebrated on the 14th of November annually. It marks the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Nehru had a special bond with children. We pay tributes to Chacha Nehru, who was a prominent leader and a great freedom fighter too. He shared a lovely bond with children and was very affectionate towards them, which is why children also admired him fondly by giving him the title Chacha Nehru. He always believed in empowering the young children, never clipping their wings. He said, "Children of today will make the India of tomorrow." The Children's Day, let's take a pledge to create a safe, secure, and peaceful place for children of our country and for the humankind at large. Children education and health are of extreme importance. I appeal to parents and teachers to give their children wings to fly and dream the future they want to create. Allow them to do mistakes and they bring improvements. Give wings to them to innovate and build a better nation. Many young children of India are sending their echoes around the world and catching the attention of world leaders in the recent past. The latest one in news is Vinisha Umasankar, a class 10th student from Thiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu. She attends the World Climate Change Conference COP26 in UK. World leaders were awestruck by her speech. Another name I take is Ridhima Pandey, an 11-year-old climate activist from Haridwar, UP. Ridhima is in news for a long period. We also recall the story of the Greta Thunberg of India, Lissipriya Kangujam. Lissipriya is a child environmentalist from India. She is one of the youngest climate activists globally who addressed world leaders at the Climate Change Conference 2019 COP25 in Madrid. Lissipriya has been campaigning for climate action in India and to make climate change literacy mandatory in the schools. Dear children, draw inspiration from all these young heroes. You pledge to carve a niche for yourself. Dear students, think big and do great. Be sincere in your activities, be honest in your deeds. Become proud children of your family and enlightened students of your school. I wish you a happy Children's Day. Have a great day. Thank you.
Greetings to all the dearest Navbharatiyans and my fond wishes to all the students on the occasion of Children's Day. Dear students, may joy and happiness come to you in every season. Remember that childhood is the best phase of life. So make the sweetest memories during your childhood and learn the value of life. You are the future. You are the future of the world. I pray that joy and success comes to you in whatever you do. So, my wishes to you all. Hooray, hooray. It's a happy Children's Day. It's a day of fun for everyone. Happy Children's Day. Stay blessed, dear students, and bountiful of wishes to you all on this Children's Day. Thank you.
Hi children. Good morning. Happy Children's Day.
ఇంతలో వెళ్ళిపోకుమా వెంట వచ్చే నేస్తమా తొందరగా నన్నే పెంచేసి నువ్వేమో చిన్న
are the future of our country. On this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, dear children.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Hi children, every child is different kind of flower. All together make this world a beautiful garden. There is something we can't buy. One of such things is our childhood days. So be happy. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day to everyone.
Happy Children's Day to you all, my dear children.
Happy Children's Day, children. Happy Children's Day, children.
Happy Children's Day, children. Enjoy your day.
Happy Children's Day, dear children. Happy Children's Day to all my beautiful children.
Happy Children's Day, children.
Keep smiling.
Wish you a very happy Children's Day. Always keep rocking.
Happy Children's Day. Roses are for you.
Happy Children's Day, my dear children.
Happy Children's Day, children.
Good morning, one and all. Our eminent personality principal, Sri M.V.S. Reddy Garu, Honorable Academic Coordinator A. Sridevi Ma'am, dedicated in charges, beloved teachers, parents and all my dear students. This day is amazing and very special day for children, as this signifies the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a great leader and a great lover of children. In his words, children of today will make India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up determines the future of India. This is a message to all the parents and teachers. So, children should be nurtured with utmost care and love. Seeing you children, I relive my childhood again, and my heart swells with pride, love and joy. I wish you grow healthily, educating yourselves, ever obeying your elders, taking blessings from them, keeping your innocency and curiosity alive. And I also wish you all should strive to make your country feel proud of you. Wishing you a very, very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Today's children are tomorrow's citizens.
Children, you are the future of our country.
Hi children, this is your Naima ma'am.
Hi children, this is your Jyotiranka madam.
Wish you happy.
Wishing you happy Children's Day.
Children, always be positive.
Once again, happy Children's Day, children.
Happy Children's Day, dears.
Children are the gift of God. You fly with your own imagination and thoughts.
Children, you're the best creation of God. You spread joy in every season. So children,
God bless you.
happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, you children.
Happy Children's Day again.
Hi children. Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, I wish you a happy Children's Day. I wish you to enjoy each and every moment of your childhood. Be positive. You can do anything. You can achieve success in your life if you do hard work. I wish you once again happy Children's Day.
Every little smile on your face brings the boundless joy to our heart. Happy Children's Day, children.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, dear children. Each and every one of you is the wonderful, unique creation of the God Almighty. You're all blessed with some special abilities, skills, and talents. Just prove yourself. Shine like a star. Spread your light. Serve the country. May God bless you. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. आप सबको बहुत दिवस की शुभकामनाएं.
Good morning, my dear students. The most memorable stage of human's life is the childhood stage. It is filled with so many unforgettable memories. So enjoy your childhood at its best, and I wish you all a happy Children's Day.
Good morning all. Wishing all of you a happy Children's Day.
हेलो बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Happy Children's Day.
Children are the gifts of the God. Let them fly with their own thoughts. Happy Children's Day.
Hi everybody. Happy Children's Day.
शुभोदय. सभी बच्चों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Happy Children's Day to all.
Childhood is the best part in one's life. So enjoy each and every day of your childhood and make every moment memorable. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Hey children, good morning. Wish you happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, children. Stay safe, stay healthy.